Would you like a carrot? Is a carrot what you're wanting? I'll get you a carrot. Huh? Little rabbit, where did you go? Must be a bad carrot.
There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing at all. Nothing at all. The swelling is going to go down. Just keep soaking it. There's nothing to worry about. Just keep soaking it.
Now, I don't want to be any trouble.
Then you shouldn't have gotten bit. Come on, stupid dog.
Thank you, Doctor.
Just keep soaking it.
Muriel, you're missing your favorite show. Muriel! Go find her.